change, that everything will always change. But we'll remember this as it is today in time. We both know you won't be mine. Memories, defining our memories as the difference between you and me. Writing our history and creating our memories. Defining our memories as the difference between you and me. Writing our history, creating our memories.
What up, guys? How you doing today? I hope you're having a good day. If you're having a good day, I'm having a good day. Decided to come out and enjoy the lake. Go for a little drive, see how everything's going. So yeah, I don't know. I didn't get a video up yesterday because I had to work, but I'm gonna get a video. Throw this one here. Right up. Oh, that one actually made the sound. Sweet. Let's try a bigger one here. Almost. Kind of making sounds. Huh. Definitely not gonna walk out there, but pretty cool. Enjoying the lake. Can't even see it, it's still spinning and going. Still spinning. That's pretty cool. So I can get a bigger one to just go for days. Slide. It's actually pretty far out there.
She says she about it, yeah, but I really can't tell. Bad girl, but I doubt it, yeah, cause she never seemed real okay. Got a little faded, then I asked her friends to stick around. They a little jaded, I could tell right away they're from this town. But are you down? Are you down? But are you down?
Alright guys, so that is, I really had no plan for today. I got done with the lake. I'm just going to go cruise some of this nicely, freshly paved road. I'm going to go up a different route. Go up here. Just freshly paved roads. The back roads. They widen up all my roads, so. What's up?
But I really can't tell.
How you doing?
That girl, but I doubt it, yeah, cause she never seemed real okay. Got a little faded, then I asked her friends to stick around. They a little jaded, I could tell right away they're from this town. But are you down? Are you down? But are you down? But are you down? I know she knows we can get it, but she tryna play it cool right now. She know that she gon' come with it, get it, Gonna lay it down, okay. I was thinking, I figured you rap in a minute, that's all, but you proving me wrong. Engaging the intimate, feeling you into it, get it, I get it, you on. You can talk that shit if you think it like me, girl. To walk that shit is a whole nother thing, girl. Like usually I right now.